Okay. So what has happened before is that we got a make human character before the make human update, and we had that asset somewhere around here. And then what happened is that when we had it in game, we tried to run test with it. The asset itself was just too much. It was too much to load. There was just too much to load and to run it. We're having issues with it. So we went back to the GD quest, the game development quest dummy. But the problem, that was the thing. So what we're gonna try to do is that I put hours of work, days of work, getting all these animations on, learning how to use Godot tools, which is a way to import and export FBX files. And they're all forward animations. And now we're going to try to figure out how to get the darn thing to work. What we're going to try to do here, because the make human model itself by default has too many tries, we're going to try to limit it. And again, we haven't tried the new make human, so I don't know if the new make human has better tools for this. Female test 4, female test 5. I don't even know what it is. Maybe this one? Let's see if this one. Oh, well, you have to censor those boobies. Female nudity. Is it textured? Come on. Oh, that's great. Unbelievable. The texture is not here. Hold on. Let's see. Let me go to. I don't know which version of this one. Delete. Well, YouTube not delete it. I just have to edit it. All right. Okay. Let's do this. Okay. So let's see. How do we decimate?
All right. So go to where's my annotations?
Is it
here?
Is it edit? Is it edit?
Go here.
Edit mode. Oh.
Into your
okay.
Modifiers.
Do I do it in object mode or edit? Okay. Okay.
Add modifier.
Okay.
And then there should be a decimate.
Deform? No. Shrink wrap.
Right here.
Where's it?
Right there.
Where's it at?
Circled.
Got it. Okay. This is gonna be bad. I think we've tried this before. Should I go collapse, unsurvive, or planar? Which one?
Unsubdivide.
Okay. How many
Just
iterations?
bring it down until you.
So yeah. Minus? No, I guess up. Is it up? Oh, she's getting funky. Oh, that's what I should have done. I should have kept it in wireframe. Okay, maybe we can do that in edit. Okay. All right. So boink, we still have the shape. So that's 7. Isn't it low poly 5,000? It's 5,000, right?
I'm not actually sure, to tell you the truth.
I think it's 5,000, but okay, I'll go to 2. That's not bad. Holy crap, look at that. I think make human's we can still use the make human stuff. That's not bad. It's 4,028. That's not bad at all. Lower.
And see what it looks like.
She's getting a little
choppy.
This is why I wish we could test it with the textures. You know what I mean? If we use the textures, we could see how bad this is, but
put the purple back on.
Yeah. Here comes the censorship bar again. It's not bad at all. Bad. I mean, it's not. We still get a little like, okay, let's look at what the animations look like. All right, let's play animation. Oh boy, that is taking some time to load. It's not supposed to be this slow. It's just like I got too much stuff running on. Okay, let's see. T-pose, let's see. Unarmed. Standing. Wow, that is so fucking slow. It's not bad. I'm okay with it. I mean, her head's got that weird triangle thing, but I don't think that's that big of an issue. So let's see. Hold on. Let's go back to standing right, or let's see. Is this run back? I think this might be the happy middle here. What are we at? Let's see. Where is the modifier?
Oh, you gotta click on it. You gotta stop the animation. Click on her. There it is.
We're at, so look, it's 490,
4,000.
4,000. That's pretty good. I could try lower, but oh, I don't know. That looks a little dangerous.
Yeah, it's dangerous.
Here, let's make it worse. Oh, it's not doing it anymore. That's as far as it goes. It's 396 subdivided. So what does unsub do?
It takes the smoothness out.
I think 3 is it. I think this is it
Yeah.
right here. Okay,
Go to
I
the
think
mode.
this is
Go to the mode again.
oh, which one?
Down.
What mode? Here?
And decimate. Decimate.
Where? Which
And
one?
let's see what the other one is. Is it planar?
Oh, planar?
Let's see what this does.
This is by angle.
Wow, look at all this thing.
Oh, it's reducing it by planes, it looks like. That could be dangerous.
Dangerous.
That's not bad though. That's interesting.
3,000. Wow, you're down to 3,000 faces.
So I wonder if we could do 2 of them, right? I don't know if we would want to though. So you see what it's doing? Isn't this dangerous to limit the faces like this?
Probably.
I think the mouth is okay. I think this one's the best one. You know why? It puts triangles here.
Yeah, you
I'm
don't
seeing
want
triangles in here. Wait, I thought you wanted triangles. You want, like, all the video game stuff uses triangles.
Yeah, but I don't know, man.
That's what I mean. Triangles are more stable upon export in low poly.
Yeah, you're right. Yeah.
You don't want triangles when you're modeling. You definitely want what's collapsed.
That's what I was. That's
what's collapse.
All right. So go back up, and then slowly bring the ratio down.
Well, let me move it. It's weird.
It won't let you move it?
Yeah, I have to type in values. 0.05. Oh, this also triangulates as well. Wow, look at that, 155. But you know what's funny? Definitely not going to have mouth movements, because the reason there was so much poly in the face. Yeah, that's the only thing. This wouldn't be for animating close-up shots or animations. So let's see. Let's put 0.5. Oh, that's still big. Wow, this thing is huge. I didn't realize how big it was. So 0.09. Invalid token or string. All right. I'm gonna go with unsub. I think that's the best one. Yeah. So what does unsub do exactly? Unsubdivide?
Yeah, unsubdivides. So it takes a lot of the it takes a lot of the extra divisions in there. You know how you hit Control R to get loop cuts?
Yeah.
That's what subdivide is.
All right, I'm gonna ask this to Alex because I know he's busy right now. I'm gonna circle this right here. I think that's like much lower. Like, how big was this originally? It was like over 10,000, right?
I think so.
Okay. All right. I'm gonna ask him. All right. I'm gonna put an end to this video. Again, this is another vlog. We're all over the place, but hopefully, if you've learned anything from this, please tell us. All right. Insert catchy.